Hello everyone. Here I have a data of 105 employees with certain details. But when I checked the data, few details were missing and I marked it as incomplete. Now I want to segregate complete and incomplete data with some color formatting. For that, at first we need to create a drop-down menu. Select the range, press Alt AVV from your keyboard. You will find a dialog box. Select the list and write complete incomplete under the source tab and click on OK. Drop down menu has been created for complete and incomplete data. For highlighting the color, select the range, press Alt HLHE from the keyboard. In the dialog box, write incomplete, then select the color which you want to give and click on OK. Same process we can do it for complete ones. So select the range, press Alt HLHE, write complete, select the color and click on OK. Now complete and incomplete have been colored dynamically. You can observe that under the incomplete section, there are few empty cells. It is difficult to mark each and every empty cell manually, which is time consuming. So to avoid that, select the whole range, press Ctrl G from your keyboard, select special, click on blank and then OK. You will find all the empty cells got highlighted. We can give any color to it by clicking on the Home tab in the font section. In the future, if we get any details of the missing data, that we can fill it accordingly and mark it as complete from the drop-down menu. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.